Hi, my name is Raquel Petit, and I would like to welcome you to my class. It's a pleasure to have you in my class, and I'm going to give you some short instructions of what to do next, okay? So you're going to click on Module on the left side, and you're going to go to week 0, and there you're going to have all the information you need to get started, like our syllabus, my welcome message, and what the following steps are. And after week 0, you go straight to the week you are entering or registered in. So for example, if it's week 4, you go to week 4. If it's week 7, you go to week 7. You go straight to that. You are welcome to do past assignments, but I strongly suggest that you start your activities after week 0. You go to the week in which you started, so you can catch up. Okay, welcome to my class.